Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay Dubai traffic fines in installments. If you have a traffic fines in Dubai and want to pay them in installments, you can do this easily through the Dubai Police website using the Tabby payment service. Start by visiting the Dubai Police website and navigate to the Fines Inquiry and Payment page. This page allows you to check your outstanding fines and manage payment options. Next, enter your vehicle details to retrieve your fines. You will need your vehicle plate number, traffic code, driver's license information, or the ticket number. Once your fines are displayed, select the specific fines you want to pay. Before proceeding with payment, make sure the contact information is correct. Enter your email address and mobile number, then verify your mobile number by entering the OTP sent to you. This ensures that you receive confirmation and receipts for the payments. For installment payment, choose Tabby as your payment method. Tabby allows you to split your fines into multiple installments over several months. Log into your Tabby account and verify your identity with the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. After verification, select a suitable payment plan. Depending on eligibility, you may be able to pay your fines in 4, 6, or 8 monthly installments. Once you choose your plan, complete the first installment. After this payment is successful, your fines will be marked as cleared in the system and the remaining installments will follow according to the schedule you selected. Using Tabby makes it easier to manage your fines without paying the full amount at once, helping you avoid late fees or other penalties. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.